Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screenshot on your iPhone XS in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now, one easy and simple way is using the buttons. So you're going to locate the volume up and then this side button. So all you need to do is simply press these two buttons simultaneously at the same time and let go. So you're going to press it like this and let go. Now that's going to take a screenshot, and then you can tap to open it up and then make modification like cropping it. You can mark it up and do all these edits. And once you're ready, you can go ahead and click on the share icon to share. You can throw it away in the trash. And then if you're done, you can also just go ahead and click on done to save it to Photos, Files, or Quick Notes. So I'm just going to save it to Photos app, and you can find it in the Photos app. Now, another method is using Siri. Siri can also help you take screenshots. So in your settings, you'll need to ensure that Siri is actually turned on and listening. And you can say, hey Siri, take a screenshot. And like that, Siri will also take a screenshot. So if you couldn't use the buttons, you can just use that. Same exact thing. Go ahead and edit, markup, or share, or save it. Now, another way to do it is using a feature known as back tap on your iPhone. So in your settings, you're going to go to accessibility and then touch and then scroll down to back tap. Here you can select a back tap feature, right? Let's go ahead and with the double one, we can say screenshot, or you can use a triple one. Basically, when you tap the back glass, double or triple, it's going to take a screenshot for you. Of course, you're going to make sure that there's no case or anything blocking, and you have to time it perfectly. Sometimes it works great, sometimes it doesn't. Again, another feature to check out. So those are different ways to take a screenshot on your iPhone XS. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.